Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you about Instagram tutorial and the way how to get your QR code for your Instagram profile to share them into everyone and ask them to follow you on your account. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application, and now that you just need to take a look on this button features down here and go visit your profile. Right below of your profile picture, there will be like a line that containing two buttons, which is then edit profile and share profile. To get your QR code, go click this share profile and you will right away have your QR code. You can just like slightly like screenshot this screen, and you can just like print it, like display them into somewhere, or you can also share your profile or copy the link, and we're done. So that's the way how to get your QR code or profile QR code on Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, and I will see you for the next tutorial.